Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing well in quarantine. You guys obviously know what today's video is about. I'm gonna be bleach tie-dyeing, or at least attempting to bleach tie-dye. You know, I've never done it before. I did some research, I looked up some directions on how to do this, so hopefully I can do it right. Okay, so I have this light pink crew neck, and then I also ordered a pair of light pink joggers off of Amazon. I'm just gonna put my hair up now, I guess. So I'm also wearing an old shirt, so it already has like a paint stain on it, so we're all good. Okay, we're gonna open this up now. I need to get some scissors. Okay, this one is definitely like a little bit darker, but I think it'll be fine. They're actually really, really soft. So I just looked at a few more TikToks just to make sure I was gonna do this right. But the first step is to make sure your clothes are damp. So we're gonna go do that. Here's a little bathroom tour. That's obviously my room. We got the sinks, we got the shower, we got the toilet, got the shelves, and that's my bathroom. Oh my God, it has a butt pocket. Okay, and then you're supposed to wring it out so it's not like soaking wet, so it's only damp. Why is there so much water in this? Okay, so now we're going to rubber band it. You guys see. You moved up from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow, so there's a lot of things you're trying to do. Okay, that looks pretty good actually. These are literally still soaking wet. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna try to do the same like spiral type of thing. Wait, it actually worked. Okay, this one is definitely not as good as the sweatshirt, but like there's legs, it's hard. Okay, here's the scary part now because we're actually gonna bleach it. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using regular Clorox bleach. This is just the bleach that we had, so I'm just gonna use this. And none of the TikToks say this, but when I looked it up online, you're supposed to do 1 part bleach, 1 part water. So I'm gonna do that. So I have this cup to mix it up in, and we're just gonna, you know, go for it. Okay, of course we have to wear gloves because it's bleach. Bleach is not good for you. This video is gonna be such a mess. That was definitely too much. Then the other part with bleach. It doesn't look like it did anything. I mean, it's gonna take a minute to do it, but I think I'm just gonna pour a little bit more bleach on it. So I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. Well, I'll do one for 7 minutes and we'll see how bleached it gets, I guess. Okay, good luck. You literally can't tell, like, at all. I feel like usually you can, like, tell right away. We'll see. Nothing happened. I don't know, I can't really tell, so we're gonna let that chill out for a little bit longer. The timer went off again, and we're gonna go check on it. We're gonna see how it's doing. Hopefully something happened. What the heck? Nothing happened. Oh my God, literally nothing happened. What the heck? There's no way I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so it's almost been like 20 minutes and nothing has happened. So I think there was just too much water and I wasn't supposed to mix it with water or something. I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is wring it out again and then retie the rubber bands and then just put straight bleach on it. And I'm using this one now because the other one is empty. So we're gonna try it. Fingers crossed. I hope this works. Literally nothing happened. Okay, there they are. Hopefully it works this time. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit in the tub for probably like 12 minutes and we'll see what happens. If it doesn't work this time, then we're out of luck because I'm also out of bleach. So guys, wait, hold on. Is it like already working? Like you can kind of see the difference right there. Okay, it smells like bleach. It's been a few minutes. Ooh, okay. This one has a lot of action and this one isn't doing anything. Okay. I'm gonna see, maybe it's like not the right material or something. Because what's this? Oh, it turned out cute. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. Well, that's sad. Okay, the sweats were the wrong material. I didn't know that that had an effect on it. Maybe we'll leave it, but it's polyester, not cotton. The other one was half cotton, half polyester. So apparently that makes a difference. So that was a fail. So everything's in the washer now. The sweatpants didn't bleach at all from what I could see. The sweatshirt turned out really, really cute. You guys will see it in a minute. Okay, so I just took it out of the dryer and the sweatshirt turned out so cute, but literally nothing happened with the pants. So that kind of sucks. I was really looking forward to it. I mean, the hoodie is really cute. I just wish it was a set, and I'm so sad that this was a fail. And like the pants are even like a little too short, so I'm sad. But I really do like the sweater. It's super cute. It's not even the same color as the hoodie, and they don't fit. The pants part was just all around not a good idea. So that is gonna be it for today's video. It was very much a fail. It's fine. At least the sweatshirt worked out, kind of. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Learn from me. Don't make the mistake of getting the wrong material because it won't work. I still really want the matching set. So the odds of me buying another pair of pants for this project are very high. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see more from me. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.